Against Vidmar, and then when Vidmar comes out of the game, Vrhunci will come in for the Greeks. Smart strategy from Coach Misas.
Doncic from way downtown. Good! Printesis. Perimeter shooting a struggle for Greece at the moment, but it's reset. Oh, Randolph with the rejection. Vrhunci, though, responds with a rebound and puts it up and in off the glass.
But he's definitely had an impact.
Oh, Doncic has found his range again. He's the man who could lead them. And what a pass that is to Anthony Randolph. And he puts up that score and one.
Team on the offensive end.
Dragic. Will Slovenia respond? Prepelic for three. Good.
Back-to-back triples for Prepelic.
Vrhunci denied. Prepelic to Dragic. Dragic turns. Oh, that could be massive. Score and one.
He's going to continue going until he gets himself warmed up. And plays like that, that's exactly what's going to get Dragic in form. Beautiful spin move against the slower Vrhunci. Draws the con.
Sanchel for three. What a follow that is from Doncic, and the scores.